ወይስ on? Let's meet blank 5 o'clock. ስለዚህ ኤግዛክት የሆኑ ሰዓቶች ለመናገር ስንፈልግ at እንላለን። So let's meet at 5 o'clock. እሺ he's really good blank singing. He's really good blank singing. ስለዚህ ከአድጀክቲቭ በኋላ ምን እንጠቀማለን? at good at. So he is really good at singing. I'll see you blank cinema. I'll see you blank cinema. I'll see you at the cinema. ቦታዎችን መግለጽ ስንፈልግ አትን እንጠቀማለን ማለት ነው። Right? This one is for you. I'm terrible blank cooking. I am terrible blank cooking. In comment section ላይ ጻፉልኝ. Thank you for watching my English and I'll see you soon.